This is Vietnamese grilled beef that's wrapped in these heart-shaped leaves, and trust me when I say I could not stop eating them because they were so addictive. Check that out. What's it called?
Bao Lolot.
Bao Lolot. The leaves are like crispy, super flavorful inside. Check this out. That's really good. I can taste the lemongrass. The beef is really nicely cooked. If you can find these leaves at the leaf section of your Asian grocery store, you can totally make these. In English, they're often confused with betel leaves, but they're called Piper Sarmentosum. We started by washing and plucking the leaves, leaving a small stem segment which will help us when we roll later on. They're sorted by size so we can easily skewer similar sized leaves together as they'll have a similar cooking time. Any broken leaves were rolled up, finely chopped, and added into our ground beef mix along with onion, garlic, chicken bouillon, lots of lemongrass, fish sauce, pepper, sugar, and oyster sauce. After a good mix, it's ready to start rolling. My girlfriend was teaching me how to wrap them and showed me that you use the leaf stem to hold the beef roll together by poking it into itself. That is pretty cool. After we wrapped all the beef, we stacked them onto skewers and brushed them with oil before grilling. You can also pan fry them, but grilling makes the leaves nice and crispy. Depending on how hot your grill is, it should take around 5 to 10 minutes to fully cook through the meat, and the leaves should shrivel up and develop a nice char. The leaves have a mild peppery taste and give this dish a very unique but subtle aroma when cooked. I've never tried or even seen these before until I visited Vietnam last year, so I'm glad my girlfriend decided to make them today because they're so tasty. Wow. The leaves are crispy. The beef is nicely tender. I can taste the lemongrass. It's perfectly seasoned. So much flavor in there. Check that out. So good. That's really good. That's good.